Hello, welcome to Mitford Pottery. We're in our sister studio, Spire Pottery, tonight. A bit more room, and we're on the old rail. So a bit of throwing. We have a commission of some mugs, and we have changed our clay to Earthstone ES90, which is a flecked buff stoneware, and I think these are 600 grams, so large mugs. So we'll shift the camera, see the action like that. Can we see what's going on? Yes, we can. So we're just going to do some mugs, really. Do a couple. One torqued, one sped up. And what we've got our normal tools, chamois, sponge on a stick, cut off wire, water, sponge. And that's all we need. Make sure we are in the best frame. Right, that. Let us begin. I haven't really got a shape in mind as such. Put that over there. So normal, make sure it's stuck to the wheel, and then we're going to cone it. It's nice clay, but it takes a bit of work. It's very gritty compared to the other clay we normally use. But once you get it worked, it's quite nice. So we'll do one cone down first. We'll do another one for good measure. Plus it wasn't centered very well. Now we'll have a go at centering. And there we go. We got it. We have it. We got it. Well, we had it, it's gone off. That's it. So we slow our wheel. We'll brake in. About there, should do us. Trim a bit of a foot in it, and then we open it out. About there, compact the base. So we compact the base, obviously it makes it nice and smooth. But the other reason is it helps us avoid S-cracks, which are stress cracks in the bottom or on the base of your pot. So we got that, so now we'll bend that over. And now we slow the wheel. Now we start to lift. So your first lift, you're not going for any particular height. You're basically trying to set or make that as even as possible for your next lift. So each one you do is preparation for the next. So we do it again. Get that clear. Way to the top. Then we compact the top just so we don't start wobbling. So that's 2 lifts. So now we're starting to get the clear to a height, so we'll collar it in. Now we slow our wheel again. Water inside and out. So now we're doing 3rd lift, so this one's quite a bit of clear. All the way to the top. Right, we'll have a look down on it. So we might do one more. We'll get a little bit of water out of the base so we can see what's going on. Right. So we'll do one more lift and then we'll start to shape. So we push in, push out, grab the clear, start to lift it. Let the pressure off as we get higher up. So, like I say, they're quite big mugs, these. So now we're looking at shape. So now I'm going to make sure there's water on the inside, just run my fingers over that like that. So now we're going to even out this side, or the sides. I think that's a decent shape for a mug. So we'll call it quits. That one, so we'll get the water out of there. Get the water out the way off there. Now I did have a stick and I don't know where it's gone. So bear with me 1 second while I find my stick, because I did clean one ready, specifically because we'd changed clear. So I'll get a fresh one. There you are, that'll do, nice fresh one. So we're going to trim this bit of clay off here. So this skirt here. Sort of wet trimming it. like that. Could never do that bit without the pin. But we keep trying, because we always keep trying. That's it, got it that time. Of course it will be trimmed. So we just gently rest that against there, just to get rid of the slip. That over there, that on there. So now we need to finish the edge. So we get our trusty chamois. And we just rest that on the edge. So I'm just curving my edge in just a little. Like that. There you go. We'll have that. Now we'll do a quick little undercut. Like that. Just to help the wire go underneath. So the pot's dry. We now need to dry our hands. We've got our board ready, got our wear board ready, which is where our pot is going to end up. That's that done. Got our wire. Slow the wheel right down. Cut off wire, keep it taut, run it through, stop the wheel, dry hands, dry pot, twist, and off we go, and onto the board. And there you go, there's number one. So we'll do another one, so this one will be speeded up. But we go through the same process, but with less chatting. And if I can find it, a nice tune. So we'll talk in a minute. Right, there you go. So there's our 2 mugs, and we're going to do another one, but that will be off camera. Because I've bored you long enough. What we got? About 20 minutes. Well, it'll be about 15 minutes by the time we edit it. So we get the camera up. Hello. Ooh. The handle's on the wrong side. That's awkward for us lefties. There. Can you see me? Right, that's it. Thanks for watching. We have been busy, which we haven't put out as many videos as we normally do. And thanks for watching. If you're in the area, National Glass Centre, end of November, we will have a stall. So if you're local, come buy something. In the meantime, clear is the way, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye for now.